of the deep mountains. Here's the sounds of abundance. In the golden fields and the new dreams of the blue sea stretch and awaken. They live and breathe forever in our hearts. We praise nature. The tree of stillness stands atop a mountain. Birds sing beyond the towering mountain ranges. The blue dreams fill the secluded mountain hut with vitality. In the golden lit hills where mountain rabbits frolic, we praise nature. This path we walk is the story of love from heaven and earth. The song of love from heaven and earth. Every moment is a marvel, intertwined from different places into one. We praise nature. In the fields, the waves of gold softly sing the song of the harvest. The songs of wild birds are filled with love. A pine tree flies into the deep valley. Under the blue sky, it sings of freedom to its heart's content. We praise nature. This path we walk is the story of love from heaven and earth. The song of love from heaven and earth. Every moment is a marvel, intertwined from different places into one. One feels the silence of the deep mountains, hears the sounds of abundance. In the golden fields, the dreams of the blue sea stir and arise. One hears the melody blossoming in our lives. We praise nature. This path we walk is the story of love from heaven and earth. The song of love from heaven and earth. Every moment is a marvel, intertwined from different places into one. One feels the silence of the deep mountains, hears the sounds of abundance. In the golden fields, the dreams of the blue sea stir and arise. They live and breathe forever in our hearts. The song of praise for nature.